Today's business world requires humanity on demand. I was on a panel recently when I was asked, how do you seal the deal with a prospective client you've never actually spoken directly to? Because I'm the video expert, sure, I've been paid money before, even by people who have never spoken directly to me, especially if it's after a video series or if they get a referral. And when people go to a trusted source that's been vetted, sometimes they just want to hit the button and get what they need. So there was a company who got my name from a network called Chief, and Chief is a national network of vetted women executives. So this woman from the company, Christine, emailed me, we went back and forth, and I tried to set an appointment, a phone call, a Zoom chat, but she wanted a proposal based on the email messages we were sending. So I sent it. But when I didn't hear back, I thought, I knew I had to give her a hit of my humanity. I had to do what bots can't, create an emotional human-to-human connection. Why? Because most people only take action when they're emotionally moved to do so. And the best way to give them that, outside of being there in person or speaking directly to them, is a super short personalized video. So I shot this one because I had seen that their website had colorful branding. And I knew they were hipsters, so I wore these earrings. And I'm not wearing the other one because it's been on my to-do list for a year to fix it. And guess what happened? That short video moved them to action, and they became one of my favorite clients of all time. Just know that even if someone doesn't want to talk, they do need to get a sense of the person behind the proposal. The best way to give them one is to send a super short personalized video with a meaningful message at just the right pivotal moment in the relationship. It's how so much business is happening today, and the trend is only growing. So if you want to work with me directly to create personalized video messages that truly connect, let me know. And we don't even have to talk. We can get it all done through video. Because the future has arrived, and that future requires humanity on demand.